everyone, welcome to 30-something beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something makeup-loving normal gal making videos for other 30-somethings here on YouTube. So welcome. Today I am doing what I believe is my very first dupes video, like an official dupes video. I started to realize that there are a lot of skincare dupes out there right now that I don't think are being talked about. There's one I have in here that maybe you've seen, but the rest I have not seen people talk about. So I wanted to talk about them, especially because sorry, you're seeing my bag of goodies, especially for those of us who are in our 30s, skincare becomes even more of a priority. And so I just want to talk about some of the products that are out there that are good drugstore dupes for higher end items. With that, before we get started, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like dupes videos, and then maybe I'll try and make more of them and figure out more dupes for you. And hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And please share this with your friends. Tell your friends who are not watching YouTube that there are places for them on YouTube. It is not all the Paul brothers running around being morons. So, with that, let's get into it. And yes, I have no problem calling them that. So first up, I have mentioned this in other videos. These are the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta peels. Extra strength daily peel. Now, I got the little travel size. It's 5 of them. It's $15. This is in 2 parts. You put one of them on, rub it all over your face, wait 2 minutes, and then you take the other peel pad and rub that one on, wait 2 minutes. It is supposed to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. These suckers are strong. This is not something you can do nightly. It is very, very strong. I think it's what caused these fun breakouts I've got going because it just took away so much. I think my skin like freaked out. There is a gentler version, but they are just so expensive. I've had the full pack before. The regular size is $85. But they are good. If you want like a strong treatment, this is it. And it literally says achieve clinical results at home. They're not kidding. This is as strong as like clinical stuff. Now, I have a dupe for it. It is the L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Peel Pads. These are not doubles. This is just one, and you put it on your face each night. It's a little bit less intense than this, but you can use it nightly, and I think you get the same results without it freaking out your skin as much. But this is definitely in the same category as this one. This was $15 for 5. This is $20 for a month's supply. So, and then you can always go get it. I'll buy 2 at the same time when Walgreens has like a buy one, get one 50% off, something like that. So you can even get it for less. But I actually like these a lot more than this. Okay, we're never gonna get through this video if I spend that much time on them. The next one. I think a lot of you know I love my Milk Cooling Stick. I'm obsessed with this. Love, love, love it. But if you don't want to spend the money, I mean, I love it. So it was hard for me to do this. If you don't want to spend the money, there is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. So this one looks like this. It's a little bit more like translucent. They look pretty similar. Obviously, the Milk one is thicker, like in width. But you just rub them on, and they're just about, I don't know why I'm showing you, like you can't see anything. There's like a slight sheen to it. They both rub on really smoothly. I think the Milk one, this doesn't want to click back. Are you up too high? There we go. I think the Milk one is slightly more cooling in feel, but this costs $20-something. This, I think, costs $3. So, I think it's really helpful for under your eye. I love this first thing in the morning. I keep mine in the fridge and just put it on under the eye. I don't use it as a primer, but they can be used as a makeup primer. So, something to think about. Then, okay, this is probably my favorite dupe. There is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask that's at Sephora. And this little one, this is the mini. It comes in this insane glass bottle. So it's a mini that's clearly just for trying because you can't travel with this. This mini costs $20-something. This is the Bliss Watermelon Reviving and De-Stressing Overnight Mask. What's that now? This is a watermelon sleeping mask, and this is a watermelon overnight mask? I wonder if those are the same thing. This is what actually, when I saw this come out, I went, I bet that's a dupe. I wonder if I could do a video on dupes. And started collecting all these things. Like, then I started noticing all these things that I went, those are the same product. This is a dupe. This one, they both have kind of a weird texture. I don't even know. I'm like scared to do this because I don't want it to pull out. It kind of feels, okay, this is going to be the weirdest reference. When you were a kid, if you ever had, I just pulled out the littlest bit, if you ever had Nickelodeon Gak, when you could pull apart a little bit of it at a time, it feels like that. Like, it's actually hard to get it out of the pot and stick to your hand to get it on your face. You have to do it really fast because it just has this weird, like, it wants to stay together texture. It does smell like watermelon. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Then the Bliss one. Okay, it literally like suctioned up. Very similar in texture, a little bit more iridescent, but same thing. Like, it has this kind of jelly quality to it. Let me pull it out. Same thing, put it on my hand, rub it around. They're the same. They're totally the same. The only difference is this is going to be the slightest difference in smell. This smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. This smells like watermelon gum. I don't even know if they make it anymore, but there used to be like, what was it, like Big Red or somebody made a watermelon flavor, and it was one of those that had that taste for like 5 seconds and then it went away, but it was really strong smelling. That's what this smells like. Jolly Rancher watermelon gum. Highly recommend you get this one over this. $20-something for the mini. I believe $12 for the full size, and it's on sale at Target all the time. And love what both do to my skin. I should have said that. Both of them have great results overnight. My face is more, is brighter, is a little bit more calm. They both do wonders. My phone's going off. They both do wonders. Highly recommend both, but for that reason, I would get the Bliss one. Okay. Next two dupes. Both of these are not cheap. This is the Multi-Miracle Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the little mini size. I got this in the Charlotte Tilbury like advent calendar at the holidays. And it is a cleanser, mask, and balm for baby soft skin. So I'll put a little out on my hand. It's just this light pink color. I'll move it around in a second because I want you to see it next to the dupe. It's thick. Once you spread it around, it feels a little bit waxy because it's so thick, but it is essentially can be used as a cleanser, a mask, and balm for baby soft skin. So I've been using it as a balm, using it overnight, just throwing it on the whole face and leaving overnight. It has a very strong rose scent. It takes a while for that to wear off. So if that will keep you up, as it does me, I have to put it on pretty early, and by the time I go to bed, it's better. But when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks refreshed. It's great. So I'm loving it. But then I saw that Pixie has a rose flash balm. And I went, huh, because this is expensive. I'll put the price down below, but anything Charlotte Tilbury is expensive. This bottle was $24, which for drugstore is kind of pricey. But I wanted to see if it was the same. Now, color-wise, they are not the same. This is the Charlotte Tilbury one. It's a little bit more creamy, translucent. This one obviously is more opaque. They feel the exact same. What they do on the hand, exact same. Like you could put these on both sides of my face and you would not see any difference. In the morning you would not see any difference. both have the same rose smell, all of it. This is a total dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, and it's just such a wonderful product. If you haven't been using a balm, I think it's really, really worth it. I'd never used one before until I got the Charlotte Tilbury, but it says it'll wake up lackluster, fatigued skin in a flash, so you can use it just quickly. You can also use this as a primer. I know Rachel from Rach Loves uses this as a primer. I think that would be far too thick, and I don't think I'd ever get it to set in time, but if you wanted to try it, you could. But you can leave it on skin for 5 minutes and take it off, and it'll like pump up your skin, or I use it overnight. It does wonders. Highly recommend trying one of them, but the dupe is the same thing, so I would get the dupe. Okay, last product, or really products. Now, I did mention this in another video, but the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator, to me, is already a dupe for the Exfoliate and the Microdermabrasion from Dr. Brandt. So this is already a dupe. This costs $35 for this big tube. Love it. Then I tried the Bliss Micro Magic, and this is their Skin Renewing Microdermabrasion Scrub. It is just as good as this, and once again, I think this costs $12 or $15. And it's a huge bottle. This you get 2.12 ounces. This you get 3.4. They do not look the same. I'm not going to put them out on my hand right now because I've got too much stuff going on. They do not look the same, but once you've rubbed them onto your face, they feel exactly the same. So I would go get yourself some Bliss Micro Magic. And I will have links to everything in the description box below. That is it. I hope you liked this video. I had a lot of fun like thinking through all these things. I would like to do more, so if you want another dupes video, please let me know, and maybe even products you'd like dupes for. Help me out. Let me know what we should get dupes for. But that is it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe box if you haven't already, and the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.